Hi everyone, this is Juliane from Juliane Nendl Holistic Mentoring, and I'm super excited to announce this upcoming event Lupe Castro and Kim DeCosta have put together. It's called Out with the Old and In with the Green, an event held on the 26th of January in 2020 at Hotel Suite Villa Maria. And I'm excited, super excited, because I'm going to be co-hosting this event together with Louise from The Loft, and we're going to have a little mini workshop called Go Love Yourself. A little mini workshop to raise awareness on how you can co-create rather than work against yourself in all aspects, physical, mental or spiritually. And it's gonna be an amazing event. So if you want to make 2020 your year, then you should be coming to Hotel Suite Villa Maria on the 26th of January in 2020, together with Lupe, Kim, Louise, many more, and me, of course. Think happy and be happy and make 2020 your year.